Hello everybody, this is Chris, the lottery guy. Today what I want to try to do is get everybody that's watching these videos on how to win on the Cash 3 on this 646, 246 rundown. Both of these are really short rundowns, and we're going to do these today. It's going to be by date and by mirror numbers. And let's get started. Okay, first we're going to do the 646, and we'll take the next number will be our previous draw date, which is 901. Okay, we'll do the 646 before we do the 246. We'll do it next. Okay, what we do now is we just do the simple math until we come back with this 901. It'll be down here, and then we'll be finished with this rundown. Then do the mirror numbers. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 and 4 is 4. 9 plus 6 is 15. 7 plus 6 is 13. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 6 is 11. 3 plus 6 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 and 6 is 7. 9 plus 6 is 15. 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, by the way, you don't carry the other number. You just do one single digit. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. So we just use the 0. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, here we are. We started out with 901, and we finished with 901. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to take and use the mirror chart. Okay, here's the orange marker, and we're going to do our mirror numbers with the orange marker. I will have a mirror number chart in the video, okay, that you can go by, but the number 6 will turn into a number 1 on the mirror chart. 4 will be a 9. 6 will be a 1. 9 will be a 4. 0 will be a 5. 1 will be a 6. 5 will be a 0. 4 will be a 9. 7 will be a 2. 1 will be 6. 8 will be a 3. 3 will be a 8. 7 will be a 2. 2 will be a 7. 9 will be a 4. 3 will be a 8. 6 will be a 1. 5 will be a 0. 9 will be a 4. 0 will be a 5. And 1 will be a 6. That's pretty quick. Now you have all your mirror numbers. Okay. The next step is we are going to do our date. Okay, today is January 01 for January. 27 is the date, and you only add the back 2. 7 and 1 equals 8. Okay, that will be our date number. And what we're going to do is we're going to circle that date number in a different color marker, in this purple marker, or pink. Okay, there's an 8. That's the only 8 we have. Okay, then we're done with this chart right here on the 646. So what I'm going to do is we're going to pick numbers. The best way to pick the numbers is to go above the date, go inside the date, and below it. And that way you kind of got it covered on all 3 bases. So the non-mirror numbers are going to be in black. So we're going to do a few of those first. Above the date, we'll do 7, 1, 4. Okay, that's going to be above the date. Okay, in the date is going to be 8, 4, 847. Okay, 847. It's in the date. The next one will be 962. Oh, these are non-mirror numbers. The next one will be an 829. The next one will be, we will do a non-mirror number, which is a 9, and do 2 mirror numbers. 2 turn into a 7, so we do a mirror on a 7, and right here we do a mirror on this 8. Mind you this, these are really close to touching the date number, and that is good. The next one's going to be is 529. Okay, 529, like that on the non-mirror number again. Okay, the next one will be a 238. We'll have 2, non-mirror number 3, and a mirror number 3, and a mirror number 8. Okay, that's how we come up with that. The next one is going to be a 710. Be 710. Mind you this, all 3 of these are mirror numbers. They fall that way every once in a while, pretty often, really. The next number is going to be 284. Okay, we have 2, 8, and the mirror number 4. Okay, the next number is going to be 260, 2, 6, and then the mirror number will be 0, or you can do it right here as a non-mirror number being 0. Okay, this right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 numbers at $1 a piece on exact. Well, an opportunity chance to win $500. Or if you wanted to break it down between these 2 tickets, cost you $5, you had a chance to win $250. Which is, this rundown is fairly cheap on the pocketbook if you want to get some good numbers and have an opportunity to win some more money. Now what we're going to do is we're going to step over. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the 246 rundown. Okay, we're going to do it the same way as we did the 646. We're going to have our previous draw date, which is 9/01. Okay, then we're going to do the math. 1 and 6 is 7. 0, 4 is 4. 9 and 1 is 11. Then you have 7 and 6 is going to be 13. 4 and 4 is 8. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 6 is 9. 8 and 4 is 12. 3 and 2 is 5. 9 and 5 is 15. 2 and 4 is 6. 5 and 2 is 7. 5 and 6 is 11. 6 and 4 is 10. 7 and 2 is 9. Okay, right there, that happened really fast. We come up with our 901. We come down here and we finish with 901. If you come up with something different than 901 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, then your math is off somewhere. But now we're going to step over into doing the mirror numbers. Okay, on the mirror numbers, we're going to do the 6 will be a 1, and the 4 is a 9, 2 is a 7, 9 is a 4, 0 is a 5, 1 is a 6, another 1 is a 6, 4 is a 9, 7 is a 2, 3 is an 8, and 8 is a 3, and 3 is another 8. 5 is 0, 2 is 7, 9 is 4, 7 is 2, 6 is 1, 5 is 0, 9 is 4, 0 is 5, and 1 is 6. That happened really fast. It didn't take long to come up with those numbers. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going with our date, which is January the 27th. Add the back 2. We have 8. We're going to circle the big 8. And if we had more than one 8 here, we would circle both of them. But we're only doing the big 8 and the mirror number to that 8. And we're going to do basically the same thing we did to the 646, but we're going to do it on the 246. And if you look at these numbers between this side of the chart, these two lines are basically the same. But this line down here on this side is different. And that's what throws a few different numbers in there. If you're betting on both 646 and 246, that covers most all your bases. Okay, let's get started here. We're going to do above the date. So we're going to do the same way. We're going to do our non-mirror numbers for it first. 741. Okay, now we're going to do the next number will be 738. Okay, that's including our date. Okay, then the next one is going to be below it, which is going to be 295. Okay, that gives us 3 of those. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the mirror numbers. Okay, we're going to do all 3 of these mirror numbers. So we're going to do 692. Then we're going to do 283. Then we're going to do 847. And then we will do 140. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we have we're going to do one. It's going to be a non-mirror number, which is a 4, and then we're going to do a mirror number, 26. That's above the date. This one here is going to be in the date. We'll do 8, 8, 2. We have 1 non-mirrored and 2 mirrored. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our very last number is going to be 2, 4, 1. That will be 1 black, 2 mirror. Okay, now this right here is the same way. We come up with 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That'll give us 10 numbers to choose from. And we have a combination of mirrored numbers, non-mirrored numbers, and a combination of mirrored and non-mirrored. So that gives you a kind of an idea of how you need to mix your numbers up. I hope everybody likes this video because this right here, video on this right here shows many numbers that I've seen in the past that comes up touching or right above or right below these numbers. And it's very inexpensive to do this rundown. Try it out. Like and subscribe. I hope everybody enjoys. Thank you very much.